So hello everyone, this is Abhishek Sharma, and in this particular video I am going to show you how to convert a Pandas data frame into Numpy array. So first of all I will show you this data frame df1. Then suppose I want to convert this data frame into a Numpy array. So what will I do? I will just create a Numpy array variable and df1 dot to Numpy. That's all. So you can see this is converted to Numpy array. Suppose we want some particular columns to convert into this Numpy array. So suppose I want to convert this name column only. So we can do that as well. So you can see that here the name column only is converted to Numpy array. Suppose we want to convert this roll number column and also its data type. So also we want to convert this. First I will execute this. So you can see d type is equals to int64 automatically. So suppose you want to keep it as a string or object, so we can do that. So you can see d type is object now. So that's how we can convert a Pandas data frame to a Numpy array. So that's all for today. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like.